Hi everyone! Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today we are going to be doing a Get Unready With Me, and within this video I want to talk about my views and how I feel about today's beauty community, because there has been a lot of interesting topics going around. So I thought that I should share my opinions with you all. Now I will give a quick disclaimer to this video. I'm going to talk about stuff that some people may not like, and if you don't like it, please don't comment. And if the comments do get rude or nasty, we most likely will be taking down the comments. So I just wanted to put that out there because we are a family channel and we want to keep these things clean and happy. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm just going to remove all my makeup off before I get to my skincare. So I'm going to use the Pure and Gentle makeup removing wipes and my Too Faced mascara melt off mascara remover. So the first topic I wanted to talk about was the recent events going on with Tati Westbrook. Now Tati Westbrook is one of my favorite YouTubers. I love the reviews she does on makeup, and one of her more recent reviews was on the Makeup Revolution Emily palette. She made a video, talked about them. They didn't quite work for her, and she said that. And within the comments, they got really rude, and they were calling her ugly, they were calling her old, they were calling her a bunch of hateful things. And I just think that is so rude, especially because products aren't going to work for everyone. There's been plenty of times that I have not liked a product and I've spoken about it, and you guys have respected what I feel about it because we all have different skin types, we all have different eye shapes, etc. And I just feel like for someone to post those comments is they don't really have the right in my eyes, because it's someone's personal preference, you know? Also, there was a video response posted by another YouTuber, and in that video she was completely bashing Tati. She was calling her names, she was swearing, she was doing recreating the makeup look Tati did with the palette, and she was being really extremely rude to Tati. And I just feel like, again, that is not right, and the beauty community shouldn't have to constantly deal with all of this rude stuff happening. That's how I feel about that. And also, Emily Noel shouldn't be dragged into this. She shouldn't have to be in the middle of it just because it's her palettes. I just don't think that's fair to her either, especially because she worked hard on this, and personally I think that she wouldn't really care about what other people think about. I mean, she might. She would have to because she created them. But I just feel like if someone didn't like the palettes like Tati did, she wouldn't be upset because everyone has their own opinion on things. So I just think that needs to stop. So another thing I want to say about the Tati topic is that with the video that I watched, finding out about everything that's been going on, I looked at the comments to see, what was going on, what people were saying. And now people are being really nice to her and saying, oh yeah, you were right, you're such a good person, you're such a classy YouTuber. It just doesn't make sense why one video people are bashing her and talking bad about her, and in the next video she posts, they're loving her again and calling her such a great person and etc. It doesn't make sense why someone would post that and then be nice to her again. I don't understand it. So I'm going to let this mascara remover sit for a few minutes, and then I will be right back so that this video isn't too long for you guys. So I briefly went away to finish wiping off the rest of my makeup and my mascara remover, because at that stage I have to really get close to the mirror and scrub. So I'm going to now do a charcoal face mask just to try and rejuvenate my skin and get rid of some of the blackheads and stuff that's clogged in my pores. So moving aside the Tati topic, I could honestly go about that all day, but I'm not going to talk about it anymore. I feel like the beauty community needs to have more young influencers like me, especially because nowadays people are becoming more and more insecure with who they are and just not feeling good about themselves, and I feel like this is a good way for somebody to boost their confidence. This for me has been a way that I boosted my confidence in the past couple years, and I love YouTube. I love making videos, and I feel like more people my age who are especially in wheelchairs or have some sort of disability should do YouTube, because it is a lot of fun. And you know, some people ask me, is it scary doing YouTube? I mean, you're making videos for hundreds, maybe even thousands of people to see, and I usually say no, because I'm just talking to a camera in my own home. I feel comfortable in front of lots of people because of that reason, and I feel like other people should be doing it. So I've been meaning to ask you guys what you guys want to see me make for this channel, and what you want me and my mom to make together for this YouTube channel. I've been, you know, trying to create videos that you guys like. I want to know what you guys want to see. Comment down below, you know, more of the videos that you guys want to see. Also comment down below what you're doing while you're watching this, because I would love to know what you guys are doing. If you're taking your makeup off, or if you guys are just relaxing off after a long day of school or after work, let me know. I look crazy, don't I? This is the only place that I put it on my face, because this is mainly where I get a lot of the blackheads and acne. So yeah, this is the charcoal mask by RK Kiss, and it is again their charcoal mask. I love using this once a week. It does really good stuff for my skin. It really declogs it, and it just really sinks in and gets all that junk out. And this does say to leave it on for about 20 to 25 minutes. I usually do it for 15 minutes, because my skin can't tolerate it for more than 15 minutes. So to save some time on this video, I'm going to finish letting this set, and I will be back. So now it's time to peel this mask off. This takes a lot of concentration, so I probably won't be talking much while I take it off. To get the excess mask off my face, I'm just going to take a wet washcloth and wipe it off. And now time to cleanse my face with my, again mentioned, a cosmetics cleanser. Now I just wanted to apologize to you guys for not posting a video last week, because I was coming back to school from being sick, and I had a lot of homework to catch up on, because let's face it, high schoolers have a lot more homework than in middle school. I was amazed at what 2 days of missing school brought in. So again, I am very sorry that I didn't get to post my teen take, because I was very hard pressed with stuff to do. But I will be posting some more videos very soon besides this one. Okay, so now that I'm done scrubbing my face with the Clear Sonic, I'm just going to wipe off this cleanser and then do some of my Neutrogena toner. And while I do that, I just wanted to take a second to really talk about, you know, like what a week is like for me, because I feel like some of you guys might not understand. Usually, I'll go to school for the, you know, normal 5 days, as most of you should be going to school. And then on the weekends, I will usually, you know, film videos and do homework, which is not what I would like to do on the weekends, but I do it anyways. I am trying nowadays to film more pre-videos, like pre-film more videos, because in events like last week for me, when I don't have time to videotape, I still want something to go up so that you guys can see content from this channel, so that we're not having to, makeup days, or you guys, look forward to our videos and we don't post them. So I'm gonna really try to get more videos out for you guys, because I really like making videos for you. So guys, let me know if you want me to bring back my seasonal makeup collection videos. So I haven't done one in a whole year, and I've been thinking about bringing them back because I've been wanting to do them now, and I think it would be fun to do more. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you want to see from me again. So who else is excited for the December holidays? I know it's only October, but I'm already starting to get all of my Christmas makeup from the stores, and I'm starting to listen to Christmas music now and getting my room thought out in my head. I'm ready for Christmas. How about you guys? Are you guys excited for, Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate? Let me know, because I want to know if I'm not just the only one. Now, staying on the topic of the beauty community and how I feel about it, I feel like during Christmas time, that's when the craziness dials down a little bit, because in the year there's all of these scandals and people posting rude comments like on Tati's video, and during Christmas time I feel like everyone just calms down and focuses on the makeup, the new makeup that's being released for the holidays, and I just feel like that's a period of peace, I guess you would call it. That's one of the best parts about the holidays for me, is that the beauty community really does calm down and just focuses on good holiday content during the time. So I feel like we personally need to have more Christmas time on YouTube. But I feel like the period of peace is good for everyone, especially because us as viewers and creators need a break from all of the he said, she said. And I'm using my favorite IT Cosmetics moisturizer. Now, when I'm filming this, the sale for the 20% off all purchases, even prestige brands, is still going on. So I might have to go out and get myself another jar of this, because I quite literally have used the whole jar. Okay, and last up is my Body Essentials eye cream. Again, I love this stuff. It really does great things. It smells so good. Oh, I love this stuff. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and since I am done with removing my makeup, I'm now going to plop myself in front of the TV and eat dinner. I am so excited because this has been a long day. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to be notified of all of our new videos. Be sure to give this video a like if you liked it. And remember, we post 2 beauty videos a week. One on Mondays, which is a Mom and Me day, and on Thursdays, which is either a teen take with me or a mom moment with my mom. Again, since I missed last week, I am doing this video this week, and my mom will be on next week. Be sure to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and with me under Emma_N_2004, and also with me on Pinterest under that same account. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you next time in our next Mom and Me video. Bye everyone!